Hi, fishing with Osguy again. Well, last night I've been fishing again down the waterfront with the cast net and caught an awesome big flatty. Give you a look at what I caught. There you go. He's just over 2 foot long and 620 centimetres long. With a few other gar, just a few gar and a few pike, one squid. Not a lot, but an awesome big flatty. It'll be a nice chew on that bugger. Okay, see you later. Bye. It's a feeder fish I caught last night down the waterfront in the cast net. A few bream, not 2 bream, some big pike, some mullet, and a few squid. So yeah, it's pretty good. I'll go again tonight and see what I got. At least I got no mending to do on my net for a change. Okay, bye.